All right, our focus question. Last but not least, this week we're going to find the mean of our data. So remember, Jordan kept track of the miles that he ran in 4 days, or that he hiked, I'm sorry, in 4 days. We're going to use this graph and we're going to find the mean. If you remember, on Monday we found the mode, which is the number we saw the most of, in which this case we did not see any of the most. The range was that big number minus the small number. The median was the middle. Now the mean is kind of mean to us. This is the average. So we're going to add them all up, then divide by the total number that there are, by the total number of numbers. So remember, on Friday he hiked 6 miles. On Monday he also hiked 6 miles. And on Saturday 10, Sunday 10. Let's go ahead and put them in order. We have 6, 6, 10, 10. All right, so let's add them up. So 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 10 is going to be 32. Or, I'm sorry, 22. My bad. 22 plus this last 10 is going to be 32. So we have 32. Now, how many numbers are there? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to do 32 divided by 4. The 4 numbers there are. 32 divided by 4, what times 4 equals 32? 8. So our mean is going to be 8. And we're going to go ahead and just write that 8. You don't have to write anything else, remember. Great job. That's it for our focus question.